My name is Jennifer Yoder, and for my final project, I decided to do my interview with Amy Bradley. Why I picked Amy Bradley is because of her marketing slash like her media background, which is the field that I am interested in. So Amy Bradley, she is currently the president and CEO of the Cambria Regional Chamber of Commerce. And her background includes being a news anchor on WJAC, teaching public relations at UPJ, where she was like an adjunct professor, and director of marketing communication at Conemaugh Health Systems, where she was like their spokesperson, and she worked at Conemaugh for 18 years. So the Cambria Regional Chamber of Commerce is an organization that provides education, development, and networking experience for their members. Their members are mostly businesses within the Cambria County region. They help their businesses grow, as well as connecting the businesses with other businesses. And their address, they're located on Market Street in downtown Johnstown. This email address is that if you had any questions, you can email them at contact@crchamber.com, and this is their phone number if you wanted to call them. These are the topics that I focused on. Job satisfaction, which is a positive feeling about a job. And why I picked job satisfaction is that working for a company that you like and what you agree with will help you having the right attitude with the job, which makes it for a better experience working at the company. I also picked personality and values. Personality is ways in which an individual reacts and interacts with others. Values is a person's principles. And so having the right personality and with the right set of values, you can help employees. It helps employees stay longer at their jobs, and also to have a better connection with their fellow coworkers, and also will help having a better connection with the organization, which would help having a better connection in the community. So job satisfaction, as stated by Robbins, is related to job satisfaction is job involvement, which is the degree to which people identify psychologically with their jobs and consider their perceived performance levels important to their self-worth. So Amy was very satisfied with her job. She likes to celebrate with their members. So if a member was successful, the Chamber of Commerce was also successful in that. Amy talked about networking with her clients by helping them solve problems. And she likes sharing positive news about the company. And she has a strong organizational commitment to her work and her career. She dislikes, though, having many meetings that she has to attend to and feeling that she doesn't have enough time to be more creative or to do more of her work for the company. Organizational citizenship behavior, or OCB. According to Robbins, OCBs include people talking positively about the organizations, helping others, and going beyond the normal expectations of their jobs. Amy Bradley definitely exhibits organizational citizenship behavior. She has a high job satisfaction and organizational commitment. She usually works long hours by helping her fellow the members of the chamber. She's involved with Good News Fridays, which are videos that she posts to their Facebook page. And these videos, or the Good News Fridays videos, notifies the community with events that are happening in the Cambria County region. Personality is measurable traits a person exhibits. So personality has an important role in job satisfaction. Personality is described in terms of the different traits, such as being shy, being having like being loyal, having a good strong ambition, like it says on here, like curiosity, general, being cooperative, those kind of traits. And Amy's personality is similar to mine. She is an introvert, which is considered like being shy and quiet. She's trying to overcome this trait by using her public relations knowledge to help the community. I'm also trying to work on this myself with my experiences. So the personality, the Big Five personality traits model, from this, Amy is definitely conscientiousness, which she's better organized with planning and putting a greater effort into for her members to succeed in that. She's also agreeableness, which since she has been familiar with the community and I think with her experience as being an on-air personality, with her WJC being like an anchor, and that translated into all her marketing she did for the Connemall. We know that Amy is a good person, that we can trust her, and that she really does want to help with the community. So values, they reflect a person's personality, or like values are also like what is important to a person. Like on this slide, I posted like this thing of like the core values, which is like having loyalty, efficiency, reliability, dependability. That these are definitely values that people should have. And also like Amy, definitely's values are both instrumental and terminal, since she is like definitely goal oriented. She also wants to become successful, like for like working for her organization, but she also wants to help translate it for economic success for the community as well, to help the community grow. Personality job fit theory was created by John Holland, and according to Robbins, Holland presented 6 personality types and proposed that satisfaction and the propensity to leave a position depend on how well individuals match their personalities to a job. So under this, Amy is definitely social. She's very sociable and very cooperative. She's also investigative, being like analytical and independent into all her thinking, and also her being artistic, like imaginative, idealistic. I really think that even with the Good News Friday videos, that really translates into her artistic talents. Person-organization fit is employees' personalities fit with the organizational culture, that people are attracted to and selected by their values to like a specific organization. So like in this little diagram chart, you have a person who has, the talents, the skills, their personality, their values, and the organization, which has the jobs, the goals, the company structure, and that with the right combination of the person and the organization, you could have some good outcomes, such as good productivity, good job satisfaction with the company, and having a good organizational commitment. So by key advice or stuff that will impact my future banking, the one thing that Amy very talked about a lot was the good writing skills. And that in today's day and age with the cell phones, which includes the texting, that a lot of people lost how to actually really write well. That, with texting, you can just abbreviate everything. But that a lot of people will just write that in text message form and not in the actual written form like we were taught ages ago. And that she believes that we should always keep having good writing skills, because that is what will make you beneficial to the company or organization that you work for, and also with your job. I feel like having that skills is very important. Also, she talked about being organized, just making sure everything's in order. And also to have the best interests of your organization to like think positive thoughts about the organization that you're working for. And also, another key thing that she kept talking about was to continue our education. That like once you like leave high school, your education doesn't have to stop. It can keep going. You can go into college, or you can take classes or stuff if your company that you work for wants you to take something. To just always be more knowledgeable. That gaining more knowledge will be beneficial to you in your future career, in your future job, and like just in life. And this was my references for my references to what I mentioned. So thank you so much for listening and to watching my presentation of my interview that I had with Amy Bradley. Thank you.